Okay, we got the iPhone 17 Pro unboxing, the case. Alright, we're unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro case. Next week's going to be the actual iPhone 17, just quick unboxing outside. Might be a little loud with the bugs. Got this 360 Osmo here for the top-down view. Let's get to it. Here she is. 6.3 inch Spigen. Spigen? I don't know if that'll focus. We'll see. All right, let's get down to it. Pull the tab out. Okay. Moment of truth. It's not bad actually. I like this this felt here. Very nice feel. It's gonna feel good in the hand. This was like half the price of the Apple branded one. Looks like some metal buttons too. I've got it's recording right now, but I've got this here. About the same size as the regular iPhone 16. And yeah, that's really not much to it. I mean, it's definitely a lot thicker, at least the case is. But it looks like it's going to be a nice device. Let me get one more shot up here. Here she is. The Spigen iPhone 17 Pro. There's so many numbers now. But, okay. Anyway, that's it for now. Gonna unbox the actual device next week. But yeah, here we go. That's it. 6.3 inch, MagFit, MagSafe, everything. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna test the ProRes as well after that. And that'll be it. It'll just be this, unboxing the iPhone, ProRes. Have a good day. See you in the next one.